Sandals Regency La Toc here in beautiful St. Lucia.
We have something really special today.
This, unfortunately, is not the room that we're staying in.
No, but we are very fortunate that we have an opportunity to look at it because this is one of 4 available rooms of this category. So it's very rare that it's available and that we're able to tour it in this depth. So we definitely wanted to show you as much as possible right now.
So of course, this room category is the Sunset Ocean View Bluff Millionaire Butler Villa with private pool sanctuary. That is a category SV for those who like to play along with the codes.
It's the top bananas of this resort.
Literally, we are at the very top of the resort.
Yes, we're so excited to show you.
Yes, it's awesome. So let's head inside, take a good look around here. So you see there's like a little drive right there, and actually down there is where our room is with the rest of the Sunset Bluff rooms, and that takes you down to the pool area and Armando's, the Italian restaurant, and all that. But you come up, they'll drive you up on the golf cart here because this is Butler service, drop you right here next to these beautiful flowers, and then you see stairways up to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, like we mentioned, only 4 of these on property, the highest level room category for this resort. And as we make our way down the sidewalk here to the landing area, you can see you already have a magnificent view straight from the beginning. The red roof there, and you can see the little tower behind the tree, that is the pool area for up here on the Sunset Bluff. That is the swim-up bar, that is Armando's. There's a Red Lane Spa, fitness center there, travel and loyalty and travel desk down there. All that's right there. But look, got the ocean. The sunset's right about there, so you'll have a beautiful view of that, and you can just see around. But this is just the beginning. So this particular room is number 823, which has a little mailbox. That's fun. And also, doorbell. We'll head inside here, and we land in the living room area. We see we have a coffee maker and a tea kettle right when we come in. We have a nice big sectional couch there. That looks extremely comfortable. Some nice wall art. Table, nice rug covering the area. Some chairs, a desk here. Got your phone, and not normally a tablet. That's here because we're going to be doing some broadcasts from this area, the travel agents that are here. And we have an in-room dining menu, a mirror. You can see they have the shears drawn here, but there are windows outlooking the ocean. And you can see the pool area back there as well. There's a ceiling fan in this room, always nice to have. There goes the door, ghostly. And then there's our very, very large TV. That is one of the biggest we've ever seen at Sandals or beaches, so.
And it looks new.
It looks brand new. Nice wet bar area with the sink. There's a mini fridge inside the cabinet. We have drawers for storage. We have a cabinet up top as well. And that's where they're going to put your glasses and your liquor, alcohol, stuff like that. Oh, there's also an umbrella holder right there. And this is some kind of cappuccino something maker.
Maybe espresso?
Espresso, yeah, we don't drink coffee or coffee related drinks.
This looks like little cup, this looks like big cup, so it might be, I'm not sure. Whatever it is, it's fancy coffee. I can tell you that much.
There's something going on there. Open it up. There's our mini fridge. And of course, they're going to have this stocked to your liking. Beer, wine, champagne, soda, juice, water, all of that going to be right inside there. Pull out drawers like I mentioned for some additional storage. Then you have your trash can down below. But I think this is for the events that they're going to be doing here. So this may not normally be here. Nice ice bucket for your champagne or wine. As we look to the left, we do have our double sliding glass doors with our additional big windows to look outside. Get a look at that view. We're gonna head out there in just a minute. First, let's turn right and head into the bedroom/bathroom area. See, the first thing we come to is the closet, double door. Look how large this is. This is beyond walk-in. Like, I'm all the way in here.
Hello in there.
I'm in the closet. We have a safe, luggage rack, ironing board, hangers, pillows, slippers, robes, all that fun stuff stored away in there. Now let's turn to the right. We'll find the bath area, starting with this beautiful soaking tub with removable wand and even a nice little glass table. Now this is not jetted, it is just a soaking tub, but very, very nice nonetheless. And look at the beautiful wall art, the stones and the looks like little pearls.
Yeah,
pearlescent.
oysters.
Yeah, got the lights up there, and then even a skylight. How nice is that? Get some natural light in here. Now, if we turn around, we'll see we have sink vanity area on this side and sink vanity area on this side. So dual, split, looking back to the bedroom. But if we turn here and go into door number 1, we will find our toilet with a phone and a bidet right next to it. So that's what this room is. Do have another window in here, letting in some more natural light, some nice art up on the wall. And then on the opposite side of the tub, door number 2, actually is no door. This is a full walk-in shower. Like I said, no door, there's just an entryway. Fully tiled, have a nice shelf here. Your Red Lane Spa amenities, those are the best of the best. And then you have a built-in bench as well, tiled throughout, another window for some natural light, a light hanging up above, and then your shower head here, which is completely adjustable as well as removable for that part. That comes off and you can use that. And very big in here, lots of room. Ooh, something else cool. Here at this mirror for the vanities on both sides, you see this little light switch. You can touch it and it makes the light around it get brighter or turn off altogether just by touching the mirror. That is really cool. Back into the bedroom area. So we're gonna have another TV wall mounted here for the bedroom, and beneath that some drawers for storage. And then you do have your king size bed positioned there, nice rug underneath. We do have nightstands built in on either side with outlets and plugs, light switches, alarm clock on this side, phone on that side. They do have hanging lights here on either side, which is nice to save on surface space. And then look at the tiled wall behind, very nice, as well as the raised ceiling with the ceiling fan. And this just opens right up to the pool deck hot tub view area. Now you can see here you have sliders, so they do have the doors that you can pull closed, and they do have glass, they have windows, so you're not going to kill your view. But if you wanted some privacy, full blackout curtains available as well. You can just pull those across here, pull these across here, and they'll meet in the middle. You head right outside. Look at that. I just walk right out. No door, just an open wall right out from the bedroom to the deck area. We do have a drying rack, even freshwater shower out here on the deck. Super nice to have. Shower off before you head back inside. We do have a table and chairs, as well as this kind of like almost zero entry. Like look at the bubble effect, almost a zero entry down into this actual steps where you can just jump right in there into this pool, which is actually pretty low. I mean, that's pretty deep. That's like a pretty significantly deep pool there.
I would say at least 4 feet, maybe?
Yeah, it says 4 feet 6 inches. So
okay, right there.
Good job. You have a nice, behind Chelsy here, you do have the fountain, the lion, spitting the water down. It's a nice little shelf you can sit up on, chill out, and then it goes down and flows over, the water flows over, kind of infinity style, to the next level. So we're gonna go over here, take the stairs down. Take the steps. Always watch your step, could be slippery. And you see, the pool just flows on over. Get a nice little water fountain feature here, and then your own personal jacuzzi hot tub built in right there with some nice foliage, some nice plants there, a nice privacy divider between you and the next Millionaire bluff there, as well as some lounge chairs, table, and umbrella that you can put up if you want to get out of the sun. But here, I think, is what most people look forward to this room for. The beautiful view. We can see part of the resort there, the blue buildings, that's part of Sandals Regency La Toc, and then that's the main area down there. You can see the pool, the beach coming in, and then that's just beautiful St. Lucia with the mountains all behind, and it's situated on this cove here. So it's really nice. Get this cove view all around. And you come back, you can see more rooms here as we get up to the Sunset Bluff. The pool is right behind there. You can see the top of the swim-up bar tower, and then the ocean just continues on around. Like I said, sunset's right about there. So you're gonna get sunrise and sunset views from this balcony and this porch. It's just absolutely fantastic. A wonderful breeze, magnificent. And of course, you're gonna get that wonderful butler service included with this room as well.
Definitely. And I know you might be thinking like, oh, I'm so far away from like the general hub of the main part of the resort. Your butler will pick you up on a golf cart if you want to go down to the regular area, and there are shuttles if you want to catch that too, that will take you down to the resort. So there is an easy way to get down there, but of course your butler will take care of anything for you. If you want any food from the main area but you don't want to leave this awesome room, which honestly I wouldn't, I would just stay up here the whole time. They'll bring whatever you want to you. Even if you want food from one of the restaurants, they'll bring it up here to you. So you really just have a lot of options here, and this is just incredible. It's an incredible room, if you want to call it a room. It's like a house.
Yeah.
I mean, it's amazing.
A nice little villa situated up here. Again, we're at the very top of the resort. That's why you have all these sweeping views of the ocean and the rest of the resort, because we are at the tip top here of Sunset Bluff. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for the Sunset Millionaire Bluff, Ocean View, Butler, all that things I said at the beginning.
It's a great room. Beautiful. I mean, you could have your whole vacation here if you wanted to. It's just lavish to the lux, and we're so excited we were able to show it to you.
Absolutely. We think this would be perfect for if you're coming for a wedding or your honeymoon, or you're doing both, something like that. You could not go wrong with this. But hey, if you just want that total relaxed vacation, kick back and enjoy taking the sights, nothing wrong with that as well. And guess what? We can help make that happen for you, because of course we are travel agents and our services are always free, completely free, complimentary to you, our clients. It's our pleasure to do so. It's Sandals' pleasure to have you come, and we can make that happen. So feel free to reach out via that travel agent information that you can find in the description of this video. Once again, we want to thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this tour helpful and informative. But until next time, we're going to sign off.
Happy travels!